Dad on the move, and welcome to the beautiful island of Samos in Greece. So this is gonna be exciting. Now we are walking towards the arrival area, so I'm gonna update you more later. It was around 3 minutes walk from the plane to the terminal. We had to walk around the terminal here, and then when we get inside, we need to go in a queue, and then there's security who's going to check the vaccination certificates and the passenger locator form, which is the PLR, and that's it. So it's as easy as that. So here we are, guys. Just got out from the custom, and it took a little bit long time there, guys, because they are the security, custom security. Were very thorough when checking the bags, and they ask people if they got alcohol with them or any cigarettes like that. So it takes a little bit time. So finally we're out here, and we are going to Samos Bay Hotel. That's where we are going to stay. And if you take, we investigated, and if we're going to take the bus, it takes around 34 euros to go there, to get there, and I think we're just going to take the taxi because it's around 30 euros to get there. So yeah, let's see. Hey guys, so we are now here at Samos Bay Hotel, and we are going to check our room. 110. Ta-da!
Okay.
Open.
Open. You see what's high here.
First. So here is the bathroom. Hi. Shower. Be nice to have a shower now. Okay. Turn off. There. And here is the room, guys. And we have a balcony there. Gonna show you, we have television and mirror. A big mirror here. Hi. Let's go out. How does this works? Son. Ooh. Look here, guys. We have our balcony. And overlooking the beach. That is the beach, guys. Hey guys, so here we are in Samos. We are going for a walk to town, to Samos town, to get something to eat. And look at the beach, guys. Gatco Beach is just right in front of our doorsteps. And there's only one couple of sunbeds there that are occupied, guys. Look at the water. And it's kind of cloudy today and not too hot. So, and I'm hungry, guys, so we are going to get something to eat now.
All I want
You can really feel the end of season vibe here, guys. Not so many tourists and nothing much going on, so we'll see more. We'll see when we get to the center.
Look at square, huh?
We are here at the square having a drink. I'm not sure if you've seen a mixture of a beer and a Coke. That's what I drink, guys, because I can't handle beer alone like that. You need to mix it. Coke and Mitos when you're in Greece. There we go. So we are waiting for our order, beef burger. And that is the square, Samos Square. You can really feel the vibe of the end of the season here. So I'm going, after this we are going to walk back and relax at the hotel. So here is our burger.
Okay, wait 1 second.
Beef burger.
Very tasty.
Right now we are looking, I'm waiting for the beautiful sunset, guys. I am so in love with the sunset, so this is a very perfect place for me. And it's been a long day for us. We woke up too early this morning from Norway, and yeah, we just went to town and eat and then come back afterwards. To the center is just around 20 minutes walk from here. Yeah, and then went back. So yeah, look guys, it's kind of cloudy today when we arrived, but I'm lucky that my prayers were answered. Because the sun is there. It came up. And then we also checked out, I have a friend in Kusadasi. I hope I pronounce it correctly. I have a friend in Kusadasi, Turkey. It's just 45 minutes away from here, guys, by boat, by ferry. Usually there goes ferry there daily, but we've been asking people, and because of the COVID condition, there's no ferry crossing there. So make a love shout out sis Eileen Bistak vlog, check her channel guys, and also in there what I Bistak. Over there is Turkey. I know you're there somewhere, but you guys seem so close to me right now, but yet so far. So maybe next time, my friend Sisikoy, Eileen, and Endeavor I Bistak, next time hopefully we get a chance to meet.